Hello, good morning. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Akila.
Sakila,
My
and
name
you?
is Azalea.
What class are you both?
3 star.
3, 3 bintang?
Yes, I'm from 3 bintang.
How do you feel today?
I'm happy.
Happy? You happy
Happy.
too? Alright. So what are you going to perform today?
Singing.
Singing?
Yes.
So you both are going to sing together?
Yes.
Wow. How do you feel? Are you nervous?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And do you like this kind of agenda, like assembly, talent activity?
Yeah.
Are you enjoy?
Yes.
Yes. And what is the song? What are you going to sing? What is about?
Oh, senangnya engkau rumahku.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So are you going to dance too?
No.
I think you look so great with this autumn, all same.
Thank you.
How do you prepare this? You have prepared well. So are you nervous or not?
Yes. A little bit.
Little bit. Okay, be ready. Okay then, thank you.
Thank you too.
Good luck with your performance.
Okay.
Thank you everyone.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Rafka.
Okay. Do you know assembly?
No. Assembly.
Performance?
Performance of
Student. Okay, good.
student.
Have you ever tried to show in assembly?
Yes.
Yeah. What's
Yeah.
your performance?
Reading a book.
Reading a book.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, good. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Good job.
Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. What's your name?
My name is Joza.
Okay.
I'm from Dua Daun.
And then?
And then I want to.
Yeah, okay. Today we have talent activity. Look at it behind, yeah. Look at behind us. Your friend have some performance. So do you know what is talent activity or assembly? What is that?
Assembly
Yeah.
is assembly with the children.
Yes.
And the
Assembly is-
talent
Look at the camera.
children.
All right, good. So assembly is performance.
Yes.
Okay. So do you know what performance are they have?
Yes, I see. Sing a song, dance, roja'ah,
Right.
and talent.
All right, good. So, and then for yourself, what talent do you have?
Murojaah
Morojaah, right?
and sing a song.
Sing a song. Okay, good. So this is our. So do you think they are feeling happy today?
Yes.
Yes. All right. All right. Tell me, are you feeling happy too with this talent activity?
Yes, I'm happy and good.
All right. Are you happy? So do you want to show me your talent?
Yes.
Okay, try. My talent is.
My talent is murojaah, surat atau
What about taekwondo? Do you like taekwondo? Taekwondo, like
yes.
punch and kick.
Yes.
All right. So this our. Thank you for your time today, and then we are happy together with this assembly.
Yes.
So, okay, bye bye.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today Mr. Nasif, we are in here in Students Assembly for level 5 and 6. Look around, there are so many crowd here, and this is one of my students. She's
My name is Maitri.
okay. Maitri, tell me to our viewers what is going on in here. So many crowd here.
There's currently an assembly, and basically they're watching one of students in our school that's performing a song, and this song is also one of my favorite songs.
Do you enjoy this show?
Yes.
Okay, but have you ever performed in this show?
Yes, I did.
What did you do?
I dance.
Dance.
K-pop dance.
Wow, okay. So, this is a regular activity in our school. We hold this event every month, and all of the students, they have to perform their performance in front of the students. And Maitri, do you think this is a very important event for you and your friends?
Yes, it is.
It is?
Yes.
Okay. What do you hope in the future for the improvement of this event?
I hope they can be more confident in the future and have more self-confidence.
Okay. Thank you for your attention. So this is the assembly for level 5 and level 6. Thank you. Okay, so today I am here in assembly level 5 and 6. Now I have special guests. This is our students. Can you tell me what's your name?
My name is Adiba. My name is Sandra.
Okay, Adiba and Sandra, they have just performed their performance in the stage. Can you tell me what did you perform today?
Al-Mulk.
Reciting surah
Al-Mulk.
Al-Mulk and
Al-Waqiyah.
okay. And then how did you feel after you perform in the stage?
I'm so nervous.
Why so nervous? Why do you look so nervous? This is your first time ever?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you feel?
Same. It's
Same?
my first time.
Okay, so if there is another chance for you to come here, do you feel you will be nervous again?
I think.
How about you?
I think no.
No. Yeah. Hopefully they are not feeling nervous because this is their first time. But this is if you are the first timer, it is common sense that you have feel nervous. Okay. Thank you, Adiba and Sandra. Okay. Thank you guys for watching us. See you next time. Okay guys, this is the third interview. Today I have another student here. What's your name?
My name is Kanaya from 5 Titan.
Kanaya. Okay, Kanaya. So you watch the performance here?
Yes.
Okay. How do you look this performance?
I think
Is it interesting?
Yeah, interesting.
Okay,
Yes.
this is interesting. And Kanaya as a viewers. And do you know, have you ever performed before?
Yes, I do.
How did you feel that?
At the start, I feel nervous still.
Nervous. But if you have another chance, do you think you will be nervous?
Maybe not.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kanaya. See you guys in the next time.